morning. Oh, wait. Yeah. Good morning. I'm Mark Sebastian. I am the founder of OptionPit.com, and this is the AM Volatility Report. Reminder, none of this should be considered investment advice. Consult your financial professional. Options have risk. They do. So if you lose money, it's your fault. Events. Don't forget, we've got options for long-term trading and hedging coming up this Saturday. It's going to be a lot of fun. Go to optionpit.com/long-term to get yourself registered. Now let's look at the market. Well, it looked like we were going to be up pretty significantly when I woke up this morning, and things have backed off. You can see the S&P is only up about 4. Now we've got some important announcements today. I think ISM manufacturing comes out at 9 o'clock. You've got non-farms tomorrow. There's a lot of reasons for volatility, and you can see the market feels a little melty. All right, here's a one-day tick chart. The market feels a little melty, and that's just the way it is for right now. And so, a little odd, but I think it's interesting that we're not doing much, and VIX isn't really backing off, and the futures aren't backing off, and kind of everything seems a little strong today. Let's just say I'm not a huge believer in kind of the long-term aspects of this vol. I think tomorrow Japan's going to open up, and that'll kind of clear some air. Japan's been closed for a few days. And you have non-farms. You've got, what I think is just, maybe a little bit of a vol blip before we, I think, enter the summer doldrums and get back to the way things were through kind of, I think we'll start worrying about Brexit toward the end of the month, and I think that'll drive some things. But I fully expect volatility to back off from here. I do. We'll see if I'm right, but that's the way things kind of feel from kind of my mile-high view. I think having Japan closed, problematic, and I think having non-farms this week will cause volatility to increase. You also have this kind of, some people ask whether we sold off because of Donald Trump. I'm not sure if I believe that. I don't think he's going to have much of that long-term effect on us. But, those are kind of the main reasons. I hear the reasons on QE for people to think long-term problems. I just don't see it myself. I don't think we get there. So that's kind of the way I see things from a mile high. I think today is going to be an interesting day to sell a little volatility premium. I think there may be a real opportunity to do something there. And you could see VIX get back below 15 by tomorrow, maybe even threaten 14. I mean, the curve is just so steep, and it's like nutty steep. And that typically actually is bullish, not bearish. When the back month stuff is way too high, that tends to meander back toward where front month stuff is, not the other way around. And there is just a truck-wide spot between June and May, and that's partially because of Brexit. But you also have some expense back in July and August, September. So I think that over the next couple of days, we'll see the curve flatten a little bit. All right, folks. If you got questions about stuff, you can email me, mark@option.com. You can call me 888-TRADE-01. Have a good day.